back to Crazy Nick, where we do crazy things uniquely. This is your girl Sweekriti Gupta, and I'm going to give you a bathroom tour because why not? Wow. Hi guys. I look devastated because it was a long car ride, but we've got a hair dryer, so yeah, that's great. And we have a phone.
बिहारी जी आपका फोन बज रहा है।
गाइस, अगर इतना कंफर्टेबल बेड हो तो फिर बाहर जाने का मन नहीं करेगा, तो मैंने कह दिया आप जाओ, मैं यही हूँ। No. Anything you want to say? आओ.
A few inches later.
We are now headed outside to grab some food and then visit Agra, Taj Mahal. फिर चेक। हाय।
बहुत ही घटिया लंच है।
This is so beautiful. Wow. वाओ, मतलब इतने पुराने ज़माने में भी लोगों ने इतनी खूबी काम किया, इतनी बारीकी से काम किया, सो नो वर्ड्स। लास्ट टाइम आई केम, आई विजिटेड ताजमहल, आई वाज इतू सा, इतने चोचले थे तब। What's different? Yes, they'll take 200 if you want to go inside. And this was not the norm 17 years ago. So it's all money, bro. Everything's money. But it's so beautiful. They're charging for everything. And to think everything used to be filled with jungle, like everything was just green. And then people used to live here. The sky looks so pretty, bro. But yeah, everything was jungle and now even Yamuna's depth is... so I found a few Russian tourists. Hi, you look so pretty. Hi, what are your names?
I'm Elise. I'm Nadia.
Oh, how are you liking Taj Mahal, Agra and everything?
That's amazing structure, and that was kind of our dream to visit Taj Mahal.
Oh my God,
so
yay.
dreams come true, you know.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Amazing.
Oh my God. Yeah, great. So according to this building is an exact replica of Taj, and this is meant to be the guest house of that time, of tourists of that time maybe. What else does this say? In the interiors, the dados, why am I speaking in an accent? The dados are carved with the design of natural plants, and the rest of the mural space, including the ceiling, is either panelled with ornamental cartouches or finished with incised painting in red. I think this is what they're talking about, if I'm not wrong. It's gorgeous, guys. यहाँ से जाने का स्पेस नहीं है, पर आपको एक सोनू हर मॉन्यूमेंट में कार्व्ड दिख जाएगा। Guys, very important. Eye contact. आप बंदरों के साथ ना बनाएं. If you know what I mean. And starting white in middle, and there's moon, which is crescent today. Beauty. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Bro, I swear to Lord, this is unreal. This is unreal. Look at that. Look at that. That is so pretty. What? I love skies. Clouds. Oh my God. Look. Wow. So according to this pillar right here, Mumtaz died because of childbirth of her 14th child, right? So they also have a QR scanner जो उन्होंने उस टाइम पे बनाया था ताकि आप सब डोनेट कर सके, ताकि ताजमहल शाहजहां बना सके, you know. So please donate. So it's 7:14 and we are back in our rooms and we got us some pethas because आगरे में होकर अगर पेठा नहीं खाया तो यार क्या. Look, they look good. Look. We are done with dinner and I am out to look at this hotel because मैंने नहीं किया explore क्योंकि time नहीं था तो अब कर रहे हैं हम explore and it's pretty and कहीं तो ढाक बज रहा है तो I think Bengali community probably celebrating नवरात्रि और दुर्गा पूजा but yeah वहाँ पे gym है. This is gym. Just a nice cozy lounging area over here. It's pretty fun. Yep. You can lounge here. हाय गाइस, आ चुके हैं आगरा फोर्ट. सो अभी बुकिंग काउंटर में हूँ. ये बुकिंग हो जाए उसके बाद जाएंगे अंदर. व्हेन यू कम हियर प्लीज़ डू ग्रैब bottles because it's going to be super hot. Just look at the bright sky. So always carry bottles with you.
Protect the people who used to live inside the fort from the enemies. No one would be able to cross and climb the walls and get inside the defense.
Nice.
There were crocodiles. They used to be there. Nowadays you won't find any crocodiles over here.
I'm gonna say kind of a very inconvenient process for booking, but we are at the line. The line's so huge. Ladies and gents separate of course. But अब हम जाएंगे अंदर. But again, very inconvenient process for booking. Taj Mahal का भी यही था. So I don't know why. Just to clear, these are the things you are not allowed to bring inside. तो अगर आप आ रहे हैं तो ये सब चीज़ें ना लाएं because it's not allowed. Simply आपको बाहर बस रोक लिया जाएगा, सामान रोक लिया जाएगा. But look at this. Damn, bro. तोप है गाइस, तोप. इन्हीं तोपों से उड़ाते थे अपने दुश्मनों को. Cannons. My mother says cannons. तोप है भाई, तोप. तोप. Small doors, like really small doors. I cannot see myself right now, but it's so hot and it's such a big fort. This is Jahangir's bathtub. Interesting. Why is it like this? Interesting. It's 5 feet high and 8 feet in diameter and 25 feet in circumference. This is this. Bathtub. Crazy.
This plus this.
Oh my god, Indians. the best part, you can see Taj Mahal from here. Such beautifully made. Oh my god. So Shah Jahan used to look at his masterpiece from here when he was prisoned by his son. So that's Taj Mahal right there. And of course, you always find some omit and I don't know, Sakita? भाई साहब, ये इंडियंस को अपने प्यार का इजहार इन्हीं मॉन्यूमेंट्स में करने की क्या चुल मची है, आई विल नेवर अंडरस्टैंड. वाओ. मैं किसी ऐसे कमरे में आ गई जहाँ पे कोई लोग ही नहीं है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज बॉबी. Oh my god, this Bobby. So I met a few tourists from Poland. Hi. So what are your names? Dorota.
And Adrian.
Oh my god, so are you enjoying Taj Mahal? This is Agra Fort, of course.
Yes.
Did you visit Taj Mahal?
Yes, before Agra Fort.
Yeah, me too. Yesterday I went. So experience?
It's really beautiful.
Yeah.
And crowded.
Sorry?
And crowded.
Yeah, it is very crowded. It's very hot also.
But beautiful. That means.
Yeah. Thank you. This area is दीवाने खास, जहाँ पे अकबर बैठ के अपने खास लोगों के साथ मीटिंग रखते थे, कैबिनेट मीटिंग. You know, just look at this place. We can't go here. I want to go there. We are not allowed to be there. I mean, look, the scenery, bro. The kind of view you would have gotten if you could get all the way up there. हमारे श्री 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 महाराज जी इधर पधारते थे ताकि बाकी दरबार यहाँ बैठ सके. और मैं कह तो रही हूँ श्री 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 महाराज जी बेसिकली जहाँ पनाह बैठते थे. सही. मीना बाजार लेके झुमका बरेली वाला कानों में ऐसा डाला झुमके में ले ली मेरी जान. Okay, I'm showing you Meena Bazaar right now. Unfortunately, we are like not allowed to go upstairs. वो सारे railings वगैरह shut कर चुके हैं. वहाँ पे ऊपर जाना ही नहीं allowed है. You know places like this ऐसे वाले पहले जब 20 साल पहले 20 कितने साल पहले did you come? 20 years ago? So like 17 plus years पहले allowed था. अब नहीं है. Probably because of construction and safety reasons. Precaution reasons or whatever. So it's time to get out of here because it's very very hot. It usually takes like hours to completely see corner to corner, but they do not allow us anymore. सब कुछ देखना पता अलाउड नहीं है. उन्होंने बंद करके रख दिया है. या पता है प्रिजर्वेशन के चक्कर में they don't allow you to go और विजिट एक्सटेंसिव प्लेसेस जैसे कि ऊपर वगैरह जाना अलाउड नहीं है. इसलिए काफ़ी शॉर्ट अमाउंट में कवर हो गया जितना देखना अलाउड था. वो सब दीवाने आम दीवाने खास वो सब. बट इट वॉज अ प्रीटी गुड एक्सपीरियंस ऑनेस्टली. 4 बज रहे हैं और थोड़ा सा ब्रेक ले लिया. खाने आए हैं हम डोसा